Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the rear brakes on a Porsche Boxster 1997. Very nice. Let's get on with it. Okay, so the parts that we're using then, we're using Delphi discs and APEC pads. I really like APEC. I've got APEC on the C1. These are the discs. They are, usual grease covered, so we'll have to clean those. That's a large disc. Saying that, it's a large wheel, so yeah, let's get on with that. Let's get the wheel off. I'll not insult your intelligence by showing you how to take the wheel off, and then let's get on with changing those discs and pads. So in order to do this then, what we're going to do, because these are Brembo pads, calipers, the actual bolts to secure them are here. Never seen them there. They're usually like this direction. So what we're going to do is remove the wear sensors, and because the Brembo, remove the pin, pull the pads out that way, using the pads of course to push the calipers back in, and then once we've done that, remove the caliper off, and then there's a couple of screws, one here and one here as well. Remove those, disc will come off, jobs are good. So let's get on with that. Okay, so while Kayne's cleaning that up then, what we've got is the hub has been cleaned. We should probably hang that somewhere, but it's on a hard pipe, so it's very difficult to do, so never mind. The handbrake shoes look fine. The disc, however, yeah, maybe not so much. So I'm going to give this a quick clean now. I'm going to grease the hub just to make sure that the new disc doesn't stick to it, and then we'll reassemble. Oh, we like Porsche. It's nice and easy. With the exception of having to deal with things like the screws that were corroded in, the caliper carrying bolts just here that were corroded in, they torqued down to 85 Newton meters, by the way, and the retaining pin for the pads that was corroded in. If it wasn't for that, that would be lovely and easy. So that is one side done. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's identical, but that is sorted. We're just going to pop a bolt through that M6 and then pop the wheel back on, and that'll do us. Okay, so while the dog's run around, that's the end of the video then. What we did, we took the wheel off, didn't show you that, removed the disc, didn't remove the caliper because we're on hard lines, that would involve bleeding the whole system. We're not interested in playing with that game. But it was surprisingly simple. I've put all the torque values and things like that down below, and all that sort of good stuff that you need. You know what to do then. If you like the video, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Usually YouTubey good stuff. Tell the algorithm that you like the channel and the video's doing great. Push it out to more people. Remember to visit all my sponsors. We've got TSA Performance down at the bottom here. We've got Form 7 Performance. We've got Form 7 Performance as well as the discount code as well. Go and use that on the website. We've got X8R, one of the long-time sponsors of the channel, just down at the bottom. We have got Blossom Automotive. They did the sticker pack for the Mark II C1, and they'll be doing a little bit more soon as well. And finally, we've got Mishimoto. So go and visit all the sponsors. Go and see what I'm doing during the week on Instagram at DadDIY. And if you did like it, you can buy me a coffee as well. But you know what to do then. Ring that bell and get notified next time I drop a video. I'll see you then.